Good day, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Joseph Rosa Mercé. I'm from Ecomax Group, a Macau registered company, and I'm from Macau. Now today I will be talking to you about a few things. But firstly, I would like to take this opportunity to say a big thank you to the organizers of Macau 99 Challenge and their sponsors. Really a big thank you to the organizers because it has provided a great platform for young entrepreneurs, business owners, business investors, institutions to use this platform to integrate, communicate, and perhaps cooperate in the near future. So a big thank you to Macau 99 Challenge. Second thing I want to talk to you about is the whole point of today's exercise, and that is what my company has to trade. Because in business, you've got to have something to trade. And what we have at Ecomax is we have devised a machine, a device that can help diesel engines of 500 horsepower to 10,000 horsepower, diesel engines, save fuel consumption by 30% on average and cut CO2 emissions by 95%. Now, these are conservative numbers. We have been testing and doing R&D for the last 10 years. And depending on the size of the diesel engine, that equates to amount of fuel saved or emissions cut. Now, to go back a little bit on the history of how I came about this project is 12 to 13 years ago, approximately, I was on a mission. I was on a mission to find a cure for a certain type of cancer. And during this process, I discovered brown gas technology. And we tried to use this brown gas technology on my race cars, as I was a racing car driver for over 30 years, from Formula Ford, Formula 2000, Formula Campus, Formula 3, even Formula 1, and then World Touring cars. So we pivoted our mindset, and that was to help people save fuel and cut pollution. And that's how we came up with this Ecomax green device. Okay, and as I said, we've been doing 10 years of R&D testing. We've tested in around 4 countries, 3 in Asia, 1 in China, and the numbers, the results were very, very positive. And so we have decided to try to push this device into the international market and hopefully have our headquarters in Macau, have the products be made in Macau. So it's a made in Macau product. It's going to be Macau's first unicorn, I believe. And to use also Macau as a platform to gain a foothold in the international market. And it's so beautifully placed, Macau. It's in the middle of everywhere, really. And we have many talented people in Macau, from engineers, mechanics, managers, administrative personnel. So Macau would be an excellent place to start. And so here, I wanted to go back a bit here to introduce some core members of our team. And we have a core team of 5 very special people. I wouldn't say I'm special, but the other 4 are very special. They've helped us developed this for the last 10 years, and we've made a lot of good work together. Now, on the top, that's me, Joe, and we have Brendan, who's a CEO of several companies. He's also a board member of several listed companies. We have Aaron, who was educated in the UK, has vast experience over the last 3 decades in business and finance in regions like North America, Asia, and Europe. And then we have Moses, our lead chemical engineer, vital for our technology. And then we have Dennis, who is a industrial designer based in Singapore. And he's also an expert in brand development. Now, after this video, we will show you our device doing a safety test in one of our R&D centers. And it's just really a simple safety test whereby we have a diesel engine working in parallel with our device, just to show that everything is safe, everybody's safe, no fire, no explosions, nothing of that sort. Everything is safe because safety is paramount. And so as we go through this deck, I won't bore you too much with the statistics and the numbers and the profits and whatnot. But to put it simply, if we start from zero tomorrow, we could achieve 2 billion revenue renminbi within our 3rd year. And so it's for a potential investor, that would be the ultimate exit strategy. On our 3rd year, we could achieve 2 billion renminbi in revenue. And that's being very, very conservative, because we'll be scaling up probably at a much faster rate, as we will be the dominant force in the market. And this is just the numbers. And the video is going to come soon anyways. And this is some of the letters, the LOIs from some of our potential clients that want to buy or rent our machines. This was during the pandemic, but we couldn't do anything during the pandemic. Everything stopped. The pandemic nearly demolished our project, but we survived, and we had perseverance, and we persisted on achieving as much as we can. And here, just to show you, is one of the letters from NPC, National Power Corporation of the Philippines. They invited us to go to a meeting with them and potentially a partnership with them to help them save diesel fuel in their diesel power plants all around their countries. And so this is just some of our emission test results, 0.001. And yes, it's a quite a special project. And here's the test here. These are the diesel engines. This is 1500 horsepower, that's 500 horsepower diesel engines. And this is one of our small devices, green diesel devices. And this size is preferably for shipping vessels. The larger size is for power plants. And the operating procedure is to turn on the diesel engine first, and then to turn on our device. And we'll go through this quickly, as we are very time sensitive, and we're running out of time, because 10 minutes doesn't really do justice for this project. But we'll be sending all the information on our application, and I hope you look favorably on our proposal. Thank you very much.